Alright, this is a one-way up ride on a tram escalator from the Esplanade to Palazzo in Las Vegas, Nevada. This is a Coney. I really don't feel like filming this, but since we're going to Palazzo, we may as well. These are near the Esplanade, and they go to Palazzo. Palazzo, however the fuck you pronounce it, I don't really care. These are strange Coney. This is the second set I found, but I'm pretty sure that's another set. So far, this Las Vegas trip has given me really good luck. I'm only getting kicked out of one hotel so far. Out of 4 that checked for keys. Anyways, that's it. Alright, this is going down on this tram escalator. This one's near Esplanade. This goes from Esplanade to Palazzo. Oh, I love this song. There's no good part, but whatever. That's it.